Unleash the power of a plant-based diet with this delectable vegan green bean tuna salad sandwich, a weight loss marvel. This sandwich is more than just a delicious meal. It's a ticket to a healthier, lighter you. Imagine a meal that's not only bursting with flavor but also packed with nutrients that help you shed those pesky pounds. Each ingredient is purposefully chosen to create a low-calorie, high-fiber delight that keeps you satisfied without adding to your waistline. The star of this sandwich, our vegan tuna, is made from green beans, a beautiful blend of plant-based protein that keeps you energized and satiated. And let's not forget about the fiber-rich whole grain bread that helps to keep your digestion on point. This sandwich is a delectable combination of taste and nutrition, a true weight loss champion. Now that you know why this sandwich is a weight loss champion, let's dive into what you'll need to make it. The magic of this sandwich lies in its wholesome plant-based ingredients. Now let's gather what we need. Firstly, we'll need some fresh green beans. Rich in fiber, they'll keep you feeling full and satisfied. Next on our list is chickpeas, the heart of our vegan tuna. Not only are they protein-packed, but they also offer a great texture. For that tangy kick, we'll use some celery, red onions, and pickles. These add a delightful crunch to our sandwich. And don't forget the capers. They lend a lovely briny flavor, mimicking that of traditional tuna salad. To bind everything together, we'll be using vegan mayonnaise. It's creamy, delicious, and cholesterol-free. And lastly, we'll need some whole grain bread, a great source of complex carbs that'll provide sustained energy throughout your day. With these ingredients ready, you're all set to create your very own weight loss wonder. Let's move on to the next exciting step. The heart of our sandwich is the vegan tuna salad packed with flavors and nutrients. Alright, let's dive into the creation of this delicious vegan tuna salad. Our first step is to create the base, and for this, we'll be using chickpeas. Chickpeas are a fantastic source of protein and fiber, making them a staple ingredient for anyone looking to lose weight. Mash them up until they have a flaky texture similar to that of tuna. Next up, we are going to add our secret ingredient, nori. This seaweed will provide that sea-like flavor, mimicking the taste of tuna without the fish. Tear it up into small pieces and mix it into the mashed chickpeas. Now let's add some crunch. Dice some celery and red onion and toss them into the mix. These veggies not only add texture, but they also contribute to the overall nutritional value of our salad. For the dressing, we'll be using a combination of vegan mayo, lemon juice, and Dijon mustard. This trio creates a creamy, tangy, and slightly spicy dressing that perfectly complements the other ingredients. Mix it well until everything is evenly coated. Then we're going to add in our star ingredient, green beans. They are low in calories, but high in many key nutrients, including fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied. Chop them up and stir them into the salad. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste, and add a dash of garlic powder for an extra kick. Mix everything together one last time until it's well combined. If you have some time, let the salad sit in the fridge for a couple of hours. This will allow the flavors to meld together, making your vegan tuna salad even more delicious. And voila! Your vegan tuna salad is ready to transform into a weight loss powerhouse. Now you're ready to assemble your sandwich and enjoy a meal that's not only tasty, but also helps you stay on track with your weight loss journey. Let's move on to the next step, shall we? Now let's put together this delicious, nutritious masterpiece. The magic of this sandwich lies in its assembly, where every layer contributes to a symphony of flavors and textures. So let's dive right in. Start with a slice of hearty whole grain bread. Whole grain bread is packed with fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied longer. It's a great base for our vegan green bean tuna salad sandwich. Next, spread a generous layer of the vegan tuna salad we prepared earlier. This is where the flavor really starts to build. The vegan tuna salad is a delightful medley of chickpeas, green beans, and other nutrient-dense ingredients. On top of the vegan tuna salad, add a layer of fresh, crunchy lettuce. Lettuce not only adds a nice crunch to the sandwich, but it also provides additional fiber and hydration. Then it's time for a slice of ripe, juicy tomato. Tomatoes are packed with vitamins and antioxidants, and they add a sweet, tangy bite to our sandwich. Add a few slices of cucumber for an extra crunch and a refreshing twist. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in water content, making them a great addition to any weight loss diet. To elevate the flavors, sprinkle some freshly ground black pepper and a drizzle of olive oil. Olive oil is a great source of healthy fats, which are essential for our body's overall health. Top it off with another slice of whole grain bread. Press the sandwich gently to make sure everything holds together well, and there you have it. A sandwich that's bursting with flavors, packed with nutrients, and perfectly aligned with your weight loss goals. Remember, the beauty of this sandwich is its versatility. Feel free to play around with the ingredients and make it your own. You could add some fresh herbs or swap the lettuce for spinach. The possibilities are endless. There you have it, a sandwich that's not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your weight loss goals. Wondering why this sandwich is your ally in weight loss? Let's break it down. When it comes to the nutritional breakdown of our vegan green bean tuna salad sandwich, it's a powerhouse packed with essential nutrients that support weight loss and overall health. Starting with the calorie count, this sandwich is a perfect balance, providing enough energy to keep you going without tipping the scales. Each serving contains roughly 300 to 350 calories. That's just about the right amount for a filling meal-sized sandwich, especially if you're aiming to consume around 2,000 calories a day for weight loss. Now let's talk about protein. Protein is the star player when it comes to weight loss. It keeps you feeling full, helps build and repair muscles, and requires more energy to digest, which in turn helps burn more calories. Our vegan green bean tuna salad sandwich is protein-rich, thanks to the chickpeas and green beans, offering about 15 to 20 grams per serving. Fiber is another key nutrient in our sandwich. With a whopping 10 grams per serving, it aids digestion, helps control blood sugar levels, and keeps you feeling satisfied longer, thereby reducing unnecessary snacking. The chickpeas, green beans, and whole grain bread all contribute to the high fiber content. Also, let's not forget the vitamins and minerals. Green beans are a great source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and fiber. Chickpeas contribute a good dose of iron, phosphate, calcium, magnesium, manganese, zinc, and vitamin K, all of which contribute to maintaining bone health. And finally, the vegan mayo adds a bit of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. While fats are often seen as a weight loss enemy, it's all about the right kind and portion. These fats can actually help with weight management, as well as improve heart health and fight inflammation. As you can see, every bite of this sandwich is a step towards your weight loss goal. So, that's how you create a vegan green bean tuna salad sandwich, your tasty partner in weight loss. We've journeyed together from the gathering of vibrant, fresh ingredients to the careful preparation of our vegan tuna salad. We've assembled our sandwich with love and attention, layering flavors and textures to create a meal that's as delightful to the palate as it is beneficial to our health. Let's take a moment to recap. We began with our green beans, rich in fiber and vitamins, and a fantastic source of protein. We then moved on to our vegan tuna, a blend of chickpeas and nori, packing a punch of plant-based protein and the taste of the sea without the need for actual fish. Our vegan mayo and mustard added creaminess and tang, while our whole grain bread provided a hearty, fiber-rich base. But the magic doesn't stop at the preparation. This sandwich isn't just a feast for your taste buds, it's a powerful ally in your weight loss journey. It's packed with protein and fiber, which keep you feeling full and satisfied, curbing those pesky cravings that can lead to overeating. The green beans and chickpeas provide essential nutrients without adding unnecessary calories, making this sandwich a perfect balance of taste and nutrition. This vegan green bean tuna salad sandwich is more than just a meal. It's a testament to the fact that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or bland. It's proof that you can enjoy delicious, satisfying food while still working towards your weight loss goals. And remember, this is just the beginning. There's a whole world of plant-based, weight loss-friendly meals out there waiting for you to explore. So, keep experimenting, keep discovering, and most importantly, keep enjoying the journey towards a healthier you. Now go ahead, give this recipe a whirl, and don't forget to share your experience. Remember, every bite is a step towards a healthier you. What's your next step?